So 3, 2, 1. Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of Copy.AI. It's a great platform, got some great things, some great insights for you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're looking at Copy.AI and you're comparing it to the other great AI copy platforms out there that can help you be more proficient and be more productive. When people are looking at Copy.AI, one of the other alternatives they generally are looking at is Jasper. There is quite a bit of overlap between the two products, but I think I really quite like Copy.AI. So let's start at the beginning. Well, what are its strengths? Well, it offers a free plan, and that's quite attractive. It has about 2,000 words, and it has other limitations, but it's not crippled in any shape or form. And you can really get a good feeling around signing up for the free plan and trying it out, and it will give you a good feeling. Is this platform right for you? So that's a really strong point that they do offer this free plan. And it's not crippled to the extent that you can't get a real good feel for the platform. Now, the next plan up for individual entrepreneur or small, I think the next plan you can have 5 seats, 5 users. That's at $49. That's month to month. And I think at that price, if it's the right platform for you, it's pretty good value. It's unlimited articles, unlimited words. Like I say, I think that's pretty good value. What does it offer? Because you could say I could use something like Claude or GPT, which with the free version, you do get access to Claude and ChatGPT, but with the paid version, you get access to a larger library of learning language models, all the latest ones. So that's attractive. Now, they have some really sweet functionality inbuilt into it. And I really like the interface, and I really like the core functionality they provided in the platform. It's really obvious that a lot of time and thought has been put into this interface. And they've got templates that can help you produce content like LinkedIn adverts or social media content or producing reports. They've got an extensive library, and these are well thought out. Now, they've got another thing that I thought was really sweet, writing prompts. If you're skilled at it, great, but a lot of us struggle. But what they got, you put your prompt in, and then it will come up with suggestions about improving your prompt quality or expanding it so you can get what you're looking for. I think that's really quite neat myself. Now, the other thing it's got is workflows, and workflows really, yes, if you're just producing, I want outline for this Facebook post I'm going to do, but it's a kind of single action that you're going to do. Well, with workflows, you can have much more complicated structures in producing content. Instead of 1 or 2 steps, you can have a multi-step flow. That's why they use the term workflows. Now, the only drawback is the workflows is not available on the starter paid plan. It's not available on the free plan. The free plan, you do get access to the templates, um, but on the free and the starter plan, which is this $49 plan, you don't have access to the workflows. It, you've got to go up to the next level, which is $250. And really, that's the team product. So that is the only drawback with that. But it's really quite a neat feature. So, quality of content, I found it really quite good. Now, if you're going to use it in any kind of SEO purpose, uh, uh, you're going to have to use a humanizer with it because you're just going to be knocked by Google. You ain't, but all these writers, unless you really spend a lot of time editing them, and if you're that good a writer, you might as well write it anyway. Is it a Pacific SEO AI tool? No, it isn't. There are better tools like Nero Writer, um, and maybe using like SEO Writer. There's a few really kind of SEO focused content producing. Um, but what it does do in the SEO space is pretty good, being that you get in this enormous expansion of functionality that it can help you with. I think the price is attractive for the $49 for what you're getting. Yes, it would be, you can use the workflow by buying tokens. You can have the starter plan and you can add the workflow by buying tokens. And so I've got to point that out. So you can try it out and you can just stay with the starter plan. Um, but it's not going to, depending on how many workflows you want to produce, it can get expensive. That's when you would look at the next plan, which is the 250. But it is a big jump, isn't it, from 50 to $250. But I think the 250 is more aimed at somebody who's got a lot of workflows, and it's really for a small team, basically, at that level. But you do have that option with the starter plan. So I needed to point that out to you. Just to finish, I think it's a really good platform for what it does for the starter plan at $49. I think it's offering a lot of interesting concepts, a really great UX interface, and I do recommend it. You're going to have to try it out with the free plan and see if you agree with me and it does kind of fit into what you're looking for, because there is a lot of competition, but I think it's one of the more cost-effective and polished platforms out there. I've written an article, you find the link in the video description, that goes into this in a lot more detail. If you found this video review useful, give us a thumbs up and ring the bell. And the main thing is to subscribe to the channel, because that really tells Google, YouTube, that I'm doing something right. And I produce these videos every week. So I'm always producing new content about these type of platforms. So give us your support and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.